we have a problem. The roof will not lower. So I'm getting ready to put this camper away and the roof won't lower. The drive hub extension is just spinning free. Nothing's happening. So I'm going to show you how to fix this without cutting any cables or breaking any systems or anything silly like that. Let's get started. So for this job, we're going to need a couple basic tools. I have a 5/8 socket and a ratchet with an extension, a few punches, hammer, and channel locks. First, we're going to want to remove the handle pin. So hammer and punch. Drive the pin out of the way. Next, take your 5/8 socket and extension, insert it in the tube, and break the nut free. Remove the tube. And if the roof is heavy enough, on some units, it'll automatically start coming down. We see that's what's happening with this one. So the system is well lubricated and the drive shaft is already starting to spin. So if the drive shaft wasn't spinning on your model, you could insert a pair of channel locks and manipulate the roof down in this manner. So certain models are easier than others when it comes to this solution. If your crank assembly goes to a rear body panel, for this trick with the pliers, you're going to need to remove the body panel itself. It's rivets along the top and screws along the bottom. That'll gain access to an upper crank assembly, allowing this trick. And of course, we know this problem was caused by a failed drive hub extension tube. You can find more videos on this channel of how to diagnose the drive hub tubes and how to replace the tube kits as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you never get stuck in this situation, but if you do, you now know how to fix it.